Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the RAM cache in Windows 11. Over time, Windows stores temporary data in RAM, known as RAM cache. This helps the system quickly access frequently used data, improving performance. However, excess cache can slow down your computer, especially if you have limited RAM. Clearing the RAM cache frees up memory, improves system responsiveness, and reduces lag. I'll explain how to clear the RAM cache in two ways. The first method is through a very simple tool called RAMMap, which is a tool from Microsoft Sysinternals. To download the tool, open your browser, and in Google search type RAMMap download. Then, click on the official Microsoft download page, and from this page, click Download RAMMap, and wait for a few seconds for the download to finish. RAMMap is a powerful tool that allows you to analyze and clear different types of memory usage on your system. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Then open the extracted folder and double-click on the rammap.exe file that is compatible with your system if it is 32 or 64-bit. You need to have administrator rights to use RAMMap tool, so click on the OK button. To open the tool, click on the Agree button. Once the tool opens, click on the Empty tab at the top. You will see several options to clear different types of memory. Click on these options one by one to clear the cache. After selecting each option, wait a few seconds for the memory to be cleared. This method is powerful and allows you to monitor memory usage as well. And after completion, it will immediately clear the cache, memory will be freed up, system response will be improved, and lag will be reduced. The second method is to create a desktop shortcut, where you can create a shortcut to quickly free up RAM without using additional tools. Right-click on any free space on the desktop, then select New, and from there select Shortcut. In the Location field, paste the command that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the command in the video description, and then click Next. In this step, give the shortcut an appropriate name. The shortcut name must indicate its function. I will name it Clear RAM Cache, and then click the Finish button, and the shortcut will be created immediately on the desktop. Now, whenever you want to free up memory, double-click the shortcut, and this command tells Windows to process idle tasks, which helps free up unused memory. You will not see any progress or confirmation window, but rest assured that all idle processes are complete. And that's it. With these two methods, you can clear the RAM cache in Windows 11, and whether you use the RAMMap tool for advanced control or the shortcut method for quick scanning, both are effective solutions to free up memory and boost system performance. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.